When we're looking for a name, in the room where I was giving birth to her, there were angels everywhere in the room. So I said to my husband, how about if we name her Angel? And that's where the name came from.
He's my little brother. I don't know what to say. He's got a big heart. He's considerate. He's caring. So I know he'll look after you, Angel. He'll be a good husband.
What never fails to remain is their love for each other and their commitment to overcome everything together. I'm so happy my girl is happy. I'm gonna cry again. She's been deserving of a love like this, and I know how much she loves love. And for her to finally be able to have someone who truly loves her the same,
Guys, just remember, there is a second level. Please don't jump off the side of the building. We don't have any, on a plane when we get those things to jump off, we don't have that today. And especially being a big boy like him, I'm sure when he jumps, he can float because this is how big his jacket is. But we should be fine with that.
Okay, I see what he's trying to do here. I want you to play the humble card and just be a bigger man.
Are you going to tell you're going to Promised Land tomorrow, or what's the...
Back to what I was saying before he started really interrupting me.
As you dance around.
And when I went there, they put my chair right in the middle of the garage, facing the way that Nat's gonna sit. And when I was sitting there looking, and then I saw this handsome young man walking down the street carrying a box of pisupo and a pack of taro and a pack of taro leaves. Samoan people like pisupo and taro and luau. And when he came and greeted each and every one of us in the garage. And after he went and sat down on the mat. And when I looked at him at that time, it reminds me of what the Samoan men used to do in Samoa. When they want to date the Samoan girl, they go and take the food and ask for permission to date. But in these days, I no longer see that happening in these days. But I thank that to bring that back into our families.
When I got your love, I can dream.
My little brother. It's Nat. Nat was born. He was born a female. Well, that's what I thought when my parents came home and said his name was Nat. Like, what kind of name is Nat for a boy, Like Nat, Natalie, but, it's my little brother. Angel, you'll get to know us. Like, our family takes the piss out of each other. And, we go too far sometimes. Until someone cries, and normally your husband over there is always crying. But it's always love, So if we're taking the piss, don't take it to heart. It's always out of love.
All right, we'd like to say thank you for allowing us to MC tonight. We have been very privileged. And you want to say the last few words?
100%.
DJ playing.
Nake!